begin the recipe. And for this I have taken here fresh coriander leaves, mint leaves, onions and some green chilies, and I'm going to grind it. You can grind it in a mixer jar or in a chopper. And I have diced some carrots and beans into small sizes, and some corn kernels I have, and I'm going to boil this till it's soft. After my veggies had been softened and boiled, now I'm going to strain out the water and again mix it in a mixer or a chopper and mince it. We need to mince here, and I'm adding here some ginger, garlic paste, some red chili powder, some dhania or coriander powder, some amchur powder, some garam masala powder and salt to taste. And again I'm going to mix it in the mixer jar or in the chopper, and I'm going to add here 1 tablespoon of lime juice. After mixing all the ingredients together with the veggies, now I'm going to add some bread slices for binding, and I'm going to, along with this, I'm going to add the grated potatoes which we have grated earlier, and I'm going to add this grated boiled potatoes and again mix it well. And now I'm going to transfer this into a bowl, and with this I'm going to add some ghee here, around about 1 or 2 teaspoons of ghee, and mix it well. And I'm going to make the place for my katori to go inside, in which I have burned some coal, and I'm going to add some oil or ghee into it to get the smoky aroma out of my kebabs, and cover it so that the smoke doesn't escape. And now I'm going to take a flat tawa, and I'm going to add here 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee here. And now I'm taking the seek or the rod where I'll place my kebabs and give a shape into it. After the smoke has gone out, then I'm going to add here some sattu. You need here sattu, or you can add gram flour into it too, and mix it well. And now I'm going to take some water, dip my hand into it and take a portion and place it over the seek to give a shape, because it's a seek kebab, and I'm going to give a shape into it. Wet your hand with water to give a shape and smooth it out. After smoothing the kebabs and spreading it all over the seek, now I'm going to cook it in slow flame and place it in the tawa. And now you cook it in slow flame, and remember, when you flip it, gently flip it around and fry it, all the kebabs in slow flame. The kebabs are so soft and mouth melting. Once you try this, and I'm sure you will go with this kebabs every time. Children often doesn't like to have veggies, but you make this and give your children, I'm sure that your kids will love it, and they will not recognize that it's a veggie seek kebab. They will think that it's a mutton or chicken seek kebab. Bye bye, take care. Do try this and let me know in the comment section.